Imagine if you invested just $100 every month and let it grow for 20 years. Most people think they need thousands of dollars to become wealthy, but that's not true. Many successful investors started with small monthly investments and stayed consistent. Today, you'll learn exactly what SIP is, how it works, and how it can help you build long-term wealth in the USA. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. Instead of investing a large amount all at once, you invest a fixed amount every month. For example, you can invest $100, $200, or even $50 monthly. This money automatically goes into mutual funds or ETFs. The biggest advantage is that you don't need to worry about finding the perfect time to invest. Your money keeps working for you every month. One reason SIP is so popular is discipline. When investments happen automatically, you avoid emotional decisions. Another reason is dollar cost averaging. When the market falls, your fixed amount buys more shares. When the market rises, it buys fewer shares. Over time, this helps reduce the impact of market volatility. The third and most powerful reason is compounding. Your investments generate returns, and those returns start generating their own returns. This creates a snowball effect that can grow your wealth significantly over time. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you invest $200 every month for 20 years and earn an average annual return of 10%. You would invest a total of $48,000. However, thanks to compounding, your investment could grow to more than $150,000. That's the power of staying invested and letting time work in your favor. Now let's talk about some popular SIP investment options in the USA. Many investors choose S&P 500 index funds because they track the performance of the largest companies in America. Others prefer total market index funds, which provide exposure to a broader range of stocks. Nasdaq ETFs are popular among people who want exposure to technology companies. Growth mutual funds are another option for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation. The key isn't finding the perfect fund. The key is consistency. Many beginners make the same mistakes. One mistake is stopping investments during market crashes. Market declines are normal and often provide opportunities to buy more shares at lower prices. Another mistake is trying to predict market movements. Even professional investors struggle to time the market consistently. Some people check their portfolios every day, which often leads to emotional decisions. Others invest money they may need in the short term. Successful investors avoid these mistakes and stay focused on their long-term goals. So how can you start today? First, open an investment account with a trusted brokerage platform. Second, choose a low-cost index fund or ETF. Third, set up automatic monthly investments. Finally, stay patient and continue investing regardless of market conditions. Building wealth doesn't require complicated strategies. It requires consistency and time. Remember, wealth is not created overnight. It is built through small, regular investments made over many years. Whether you start with $50, $100, or $200 per month, the important thing is to start. The sooner you begin, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Title: How to Start SIP in the USA. Build wealth with just $100/month. Thumbnail text: Money bag $100/month equals big wealth. Start SIP today. Description: Want to build wealth in the USA without investing thousands of dollars? In this video, you'll learn how SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, works, how compounding can grow your money, and how beginners can start investing with as little as $100 per month. Learn smart investing habits, avoid common mistakes, and start your journey toward financial freedom today. Number SIP, number investing, number USA finance, number stock market, number ETF, number index fund, number personal finance, number money tips, number passive income, number wealth building.